In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 install error 0x80070002. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so this error usually appears when installing or updating Windows 11. I mean, some updated files are missing or even corrupted. So there's a few different fixes what we can try. So fix number one is we need to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. So to get into that, we need to click onto search, type in settings. Now, once we're inside of settings, we want to click onto system. To the right of that, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Now we need to find other troubleshooters. Now, once this opens, go ahead and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Now, Windows will automatically try to repair and update any problems here. Now, also inside of settings, we need to check date and time settings. So to do this, come over to time and language, click onto date and time, and these two options here, set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Make sure these are enabled. If they're not, you're probably going to run into a lot of other issues as well. Now, we also need more storage space. So to check your storage, we can come back here to system and then click onto the storage tab. Now we can see how much we have used inside of our computer. We need at least 20 gigabytes free. So make sure you got 20 gigabytes free. Come down here. This is a good thing to enable. So storage center, this is going to automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. So enable that. And also when this is on, it's also going to run when this space is low. So when we clean up enough space to help your system run its best. So apparently it's cleaned up 0.5 gig of space in the past month.